Hi everyone, hope you're okay. Haven't been on for a little while, so I thought I'd just come on and tell you about an event that we're holding at the Black Country Living Museum in Dudley on the 22nd of May. So it's a development and educational workshop where we cover various topics surrounding cast iron, but particularly in the restoration and the protection of architectural historical cast iron. So I'm really excited about that. It's the first time that we've put on an event like this, and the first time that we've used the Black Country Living Museum. So we're a partner of the museum, so we're really excited to be taking advantage of the facilities there and being able to provide our presentations, but also for individuals to come and have a tour around the museum. So if you've never been to the museum, it's really worth a visit. We still do have some places, so I'll put my email address in the comments box, and if you wanted further information about the event, then please drop me an email and I'll send over the details to you. So we're just in the process of finalising arrangements, but I think it's going to be a really good event. So look forward to seeing as many of you there. And I hope you're having a great week, and we'll catch up again soon.